Is money is the root of all evils, or the lack of money is the root of all evils? You have to be clear about it. That you have seen, you have listened many times in your family, in your society, that money takes you to the evils. You do the evil works when you have the more money. Have you heard this? I am absolutely clear that you have heard this thing again and again in your family, in your society, that money is the evil. If money comes to you, you will be bad. Think about it. How you can think that money comes to that person who has such as thinking about money? Let me give you an example. If you are in a relationship, that may be wife and husband, that may be girlfriend, boyfriend, and you are saying that the other person is the root of all your problems, that you are root of my all problems. How you can expect that the other person will want to live with you when you again and again and again say to him or her that you are the root of all my problems? How you can expect that will come to you and want to connect with you? That's the reason many people don't have the money, because they have the wrong information about money. Your relationships, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, that comes after the 20, but the money comes you the first day you come in this earth. And maybe that before of that, when you were in the belly of your mother, you were fed by your mother, that was only for money. Then money is very important in your life, and if you think that money is the root of all evils, how you can expect that money comes to you? And let me give you another example. You have seen the many thieves, dacoits, they do this type of work. Why? They have the much more money? No, they don't have the money, and they don't know how they can earn much more money. If they know that how they can earn money, what is the need to force somebody and take someone else's money with the force? That's the only reason that you have not the money. The people who don't have the money, they have to do this type of wrong works. They don't want to do that, but they have to. They have to feed their family. If they have no other earning base, they have to do this. So please make sure before to earn the money, you have to be clear that money is not the evil and earning money is not the wrong work. It's very important to support your families, to support your parents, to support your children. If you are married, you have to support your wife. Then money is important to fulfill their dreams, their needs. That's very important. If you are thinking that money is the root of all evils, money doesn't come to you. It's real, and you have to clear about it. I think you have been cleared that money is not the root of all evils. Lack of money is the root of all evils. The lack of money forces you to this evil works. Otherwise, nobody wants to do this. So be very careful that what you have the aspects about the money. Thank you.